saying 3e squared minus 7e minus 6 equal to 0. Here, we are now going to look for this multiplied by this. We have minus 18e squared. So what are the factors of 18 that will give us this one in the middle? We have 9 and 2. Then we have minus 9 and 2. So that minus 9 plus 2 will give us minus 7. So this one, we just add e to them. So this one becomes e. So here, anywhere we see minus 7e, we replace it with minus 9e plus 2e. So we have 3e squared minus 9e plus 2e minus 6 equal to 0. Then here, we break it down into 2. What is common here? 3e. We have e minus 3. What is common here? Plus 2. E minus 3 equal to 0. So we have e minus 3 into 3e plus 2 equal to 0. Then we can equate e minus 3 equal to 0 or 3e plus 2 equal to 0. So here, then we have e equals to 3. Then, or we have 3e equals to minus 2. And when we divide both sides by 3, we have e to be minus 2 over 3. So our e is equal to 3 or minus 2 over 3. So that is the values for our e. Then the second one, we have to solve for a here. Solve for a. So here we have 4a, that's question 2 now, minus 1 over a plus 4 minus 2, which equals to 2a minus 1 over a plus 2. If you look at this very well, we look for the LCM, and by making this a fraction, then the LCM here will be a plus 4 into a plus 2. If you use this to multiply this, automatically we are going to have this one cancel this, then we'll have 4a minus 1 into a plus 2. If you use this to multiply this, we have minus 2 into a plus 4, a plus 2. If you use this to multiply this, we have 2a minus 1 into a plus 4. If you open this, we have 4a squared plus 8a minus a minus 2. If you open this, we are going to have, let's open this first. We have minus into 2a plus 8, then a plus 2. Then if you open this, we have 2a squared plus 8a minus a minus 4. So we come to terms with this, we have 4a squared plus 7a minus 2. Then let's open this. Make sure that the minus is well protected. So we have this times this 2a squared plus 4a plus 8a plus 16. Then this equal to 2a squared minus plus 7a minus 4. Then here 4a squared plus 7a minus 2. Then let's resolve what we have in the brackets. Remember that there is a minus outside here. We have 2a squared plus 12a plus 16 equals to 2a squared plus 7a minus 4. Then here, we use this bracket, this minus to open that bracket. Then it affects every content of the bracket. So you have this minus 2a squared minus 12a minus 16 equal to 2a squared plus 7a minus 4. Then here we resolve 4a squared minus 2a squared. We have 2a squared on this side. Plus 7a minus 12a minus 5a on this side. Minus 2 minus 16, that's minus 18, plus to 2a squared minus plus 7a minus 4. So let's transfer those terms with a to this side and transfer the constant. Let the constant be on the right hand side and those with a, let them be on the left hand side. By so doing, I will have 2a squared, then this one comes here, minus 2a squared, minus 5a, minus 7a, we now have minus 4 here, then we'll have plus 18 here. Minus 4 plus 18. So this one definitely will cancel. Then we have minus 12a, which is now equal to 14. That's plus 14. Then we divide both sides by minus 12. Then we have our a to be 14 divided by minus 12. 2 here 6, 2 here 7. So which implies that our a will definitely be minus 7 over 6 or minus 1 whole number 1 over 6. Now the third part of this question, which has two sub-questions. For what values of x is the expression this is not defined? And B, find the values of x for which the expression is zeros. So automatically we are having two questions here. The first one says that we should find the values of x, value or values of x that will make this expression to be undefined. And we know vividly from the concept of undefined that for a particular expression to be undefined, then the denominator must be equal to 0. So here, what is the denominator? X minus 5. X minus 5 must be equal to 0 for this expression to be undefined. So automatically we have x equal to 0 plus 5. Then your x will be equal to 5. So that means the value of x that will make this expression to be undefined is when your x is equal to what? 5. That is the answer there. Then find the values of x for which the expression is zeros. When you are given this kind of question, the next thing to do, which is the B part, is to equate the expression to 0. So when we equate the expression to 0, what we are saying in a nutshell is that your 0 is being affected by 1. So automatically when you cross multiply this, automatically this one becomes x squared plus 15x plus 50. That will now give x minus 5, everything multiplied by 0. So automatically x minus 5 vanishes. So you have x squared plus 15x plus 50 then becomes 0. So this one is nothing more than a quadratic equation. So we look for the factors of 50 that will give us addition or subtraction, will give us this one in the middle. So we have plus 50x squared. So what are the factors of 50? That's the addition. We have 5, 10. We have 5, 10. We have 5. We have 2, 25. And we also have 51. Which one will give us the one in the middle? is our interest, not writing all the factors out. And by mere looking at what we have, we know that this multiplied by this will definitely give us plus 50. Then this plus this will definitely give us 15. So automatically, this 5x, 10x will definitely be the factors we are looking for. So anywhere we see plus 15x, we replace it with plus 5x plus 10x. And by doing that, we have x squared plus 5x plus 10x plus 50 equal to 0. Then we dissect what we have here. So we dissect it this way. What is common here? X. We factorize that x. Then we'll be left with x plus 5. What is common here? Plus 10. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have x plus 5 is into x plus 10 is equal to 0. Then mathematically we can say x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 10 is equal to 0. X equals to 0 minus 5. Then your x equals to minus 5 in the first case, and the second case, x equals to 0 minus 10, then x equals to minus 10. Therefore, our x will be minus 5 or minus 10. So minus 5, x equals to minus 5 or minus 10 will be the values of x that will make this expression to be 0.